Good morning, children. Today, in geography, we are going to revise the first chapter, that is size and location. In this chapter, we are going to study about India's location, its size, India and the world, and its neighboring countries. Children, now look at this map and try to locate India's position on the globe. India is situated, or it lies in Asian continent. Children, India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying a remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. Children, through this picture, we can find out one more thing, that is, India lies completely on northern and eastern hemisphere. How? Children, you can see the 0 degree equator which is passing through South America, Africa, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and India lies just above the equator. What the equator do? It divides the globe, it divides the earth into two hemispheres, northern and the southern hemisphere. And above 0 degree, it is above equator, it is northern hemisphere, and India is just above the 0 degree, whereas it is totally lies to the east of the Greenwich line. You can see this Greenwich line which is passing through Europe and Africa, and India is situated in the eastern side of that meridian, that Greenwich line. That means India is entirely situated in the northeastern hemisphere. Now let's see the location of India, the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. The India's mainland extends between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degrees 6 minute north latitudes, and 68 degrees 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Children, this you have to learn, and we should know also where the India is situated on latitude and longitude. In latitude it is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and in longitudes it is 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. Children, the Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost two equal parts. The Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north or 23 degree 30 minute north. Children, in the map you can see from where or from which states, Indian states, it is passing through. It passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. The island groups of Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar are also a part of India. In this map also, children, you can see the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. Other than this, you can see the distance from north to south and east to west also. The distance from north to south is 3214 kilometers, that means 3214 kilometers, and east to west it is 2933 kilometers, 2933 kilometers. Children, India has a landmass of 3.28 million square kilometer, which is 2.4% of total geographical area of the world. Children, this we should know, the total area of our country is 3.28 million square kilometer. India is the world's seventh largest country with a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers and coastal line 7,516.6 kilometers. What is the coastal boundary? 7,516.6 kilometers and land frontiers 15,200 kilometers. India's east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. Children, now we will see the seven largest country of the world. You know that India is the seventh largest country. And which is the largest country? Russia. Now we will see the countries which are larger than India. They are Russia, Canada, USA, that is United States of America, China, Brazil, Australia. These countries has more land mass than India. India has a 3.28 million square kilometer of land mass. India's latitudinal and longitudinal extent is about 30 degree. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minutes east, which passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Children, why we have chosen 82 degree 30 minutes east as the standard meridian of India? Because the longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east, and this meridian passes through the center of India. And one more reason, that is, there is an understanding among the countries of the world that the degree of the standard meridian should be divisible by 7.5. Children, one more thing, this has enabled us to overcome the difference of 2 hours of time between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Children, do you know the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches shows the same time. How does this happen? Children, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours, but the watches shows the same time because the time along the standard meridian of India, that is 82 degree 30 minute east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. Because the same standard time for the whole country has been adopted and watches shows the same time in Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat and in all the parts of the country. Otherwise, different regions of India would have different times, which would create problems. So, to have one common standard time for the whole country, 82 degree 30 minutes east has been selected or chosen as Indian Standard Time. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night. Children, why this is so? Why the latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from north to south? Because a place near the equator, sun rays are straight. That is why the day and nights are almost equal. But as we move away from the equator, sun rays falls on it slanting. So there is a difference in the duration of day and night. Suppose someone asks the question, why is the difference between the duration of day and night hardly felt at Kanyakumari, but not so in Kashmir? The reason is latitudinal location. Kanyakumari is located closer to equator and experiences a maximum difference of 45 minutes. But for 45 minutes between the day and night. But Kashmir lies further away from equator and experiences a significant gap between the duration of day and night. Once again I am repeating this. Kanyakumari is located closer to the equator and experiences a maximum difference of 45 minutes between the day and night. However, Kashmir lies further away from the equator and experiences a significant gap between the duration of day and night. Children, as you know, India is the 7th largest country. Now we will see which countries are larger than India. From this picture, we can easily make out the names of those countries which are larger than India. They are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and India ranks 7th largest. Now children, go through this map. Take one map, political map of India, and fill all the states and union territories of India. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.